everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandler, if this is your first time here. And today we're going to be doing a Flexi rod set on blown out hair. Not blown out, which is kind of, it's blow dried hair. So, let's get started. So I'll take my hair off and pull aside the piece that I'm going to start on now. I have decided to blow out my hair before I do this because I don't want to sit on the dryer for 4 hours. I shampooed my hair, I conditioned it, and I put leave-in conditioner in it. Blow dried it and put some oil on it. And now the only other product I'm going to use is the Creme Nature Pure Honey Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. I wish it had, like, why is this not a spray bottle? Like, I gotta dump it in my hair. Why is this not a spray bottle? I really need this to be a spray bottle. Okay, so for my Flexi rod, I'm gonna be using 2 different sizes. I'm gonna be using the orange ones and then these smaller ones. Like, they're a variety of colors, but they're the same size. And I'm gonna use these around the edges to get a more defined curl, and then these for the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna start at the root and twirl all the way down. And the thing I like to make sure I have is space in between each round of hair. And I mean space, I mean that space. So I'm going to speed the rest of this up, and then I'm going to come back after it dries. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished off my hair and I sat under the dryer. I sat under the dryer for about an hour. And I hope these are dry because I hate sitting under the dryer. It was so hot. And the hood almost didn't fit over all of this. Almost. But, let's take it down. Okay, let's start with these. Oh, okay. Okay. Fluffy. Fuzzy. The oil I'm going to be using is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. And I'm just separating it where they naturally are separated. And then I'm twirling my finger off the end. Going so far. I like it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm about to go out here and stunt. Be like, your hair look good. I'll be like, who, me? Okay, here. Okay. You need to calm down. I'm excited too, but you gotta calm down. You got to calm down. Okay, so I've taken all the Flexi rods out and they are separated, and I am so excited because this is so cute. It's so fluffy. I'm just I don't think this goes on my face, but this is definitely a style. It looks like a wig. All my life people have always thought I wore wigs. This is my hair, but this really looks like a whole wig. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do try it, okay? And let me know what products you use. Let me know what you use to achieve this hairstyle. Or let me know what your favorite products are to use in this hairstyle. It's very fluffy. I think if I use wet hair, it would be way more defined. So if you want the fluffy look, blow dry it, and if you don't, do it wet. And then wait all night and day for it to dry, cause girl. Alright guys, that wraps it up for another video. I truly hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.